everyone, today my mom made strawberry ice cream with fresh strawberry. Now let's go. Now let's add 1/2 cup of whipped cream which is chilled. Now let's beat until it's soft peak for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to always beat on speed 1. Now let's add 1/2 cup of condensed milk. Now let's again beat for 2 minutes. Now let's add 2 to 3 drops of strawberry flavor. Now let's add 1/4 cup of fresh strawberry chopped and again beat for 30 seconds. Now let's add 1 drop of pink food color and mix it until it's all pink. Now it's ready for set. Take a airtight box and we're gonna add our ice cream batter. Now we'll make it all at the same height. Now we're gonna add fresh strawberry slices so that it looks beautiful. If you don't have that much strawberry, you can just refrigerate it right away. Now we're gonna add some strawberry filling so that it looks beautiful. Now we're gonna put it tightly and there is one rubber for this so that it could make it very tight. We're gonna add the rubber so that it becomes very tightly. We're gonna set it for freezer for 5 to 6 hours. After 5 to 6 hours, when it's fully set, we are gonna open it and then see if it's good or not. Now we're just gonna serve it. When we eat it, it's gonna taste the best and it also looks better than the store ones. Now we're gonna add at the top of ice cream some strawberry filling so that it looks pretty. I'm doing voice in my mother's video, so if I did something wrong, please I apologize. The taste is very amazing, and don't forget to make this recipe.